Hello travelers. So today I wanted to do just a quick update for April 2023, and I just wanted to share a couple of things that I have been changing and will be updating over the next couple of days. So you may have seen the logo that just popped in. I've decided to update the logo. So it's still going to be called Packing Less, but I decided to kind of modernize the logo, give it a bit more of a flat modern feel, just to kind of refresh the channel, to update it with where I'm going to be taking things. So you may have also noticed if you do go to my website, which is packingless.com, I'll just show it down in the corner here. You can see I've actually decided to rebuild the website and move it away from WordPress. So it did used to be in WordPress, but I spent the last couple of weeks sort of rebuilding it in something called Webflow, which hopefully should be a bit faster, a bit more smooth, a bit more modern and fresh and clean. So the old website had tended to get a bit bogged down with ads, and it was a bit messy, and frankly it was a bit ugly. And I found that I wasn't really using it to its full potential. So what I used to do was I just posted a link on there and then sent it off, and that would be like a link with the video that I posted on YouTube. But I've decided that I'm going to kind of use the website for more perhaps useful information, not necessarily just a link to the video with the same information as the video, because that doesn't really serve much of a purpose. So what you will see if you go to the website now is a couple of the previous posts that are linked to a video, but I've updated the information on them. Hopefully it will be a bit more useful for people who are reading that information or those reviews. And I might still continue to do reviews, but I will try to put information that is different, like in a written format that is more useful than just slapping the video link there. So there should be a bit more information there. And the other interesting thing that I've decided to do is full disclosure. So you will see on the website there is a little, there will be probably two on each post, one or two on each post, but there are three in total. The first is going to be called self-funded. So that'll be a tag that I'll use for products which I have purchased myself and the company didn't send to me, they haven't contacted me. It's just kind of like an independent self-funded review. The other one, which you'll probably see on most of them, is going to be affiliate links. And that's just to let you know that a lot of the links on the website are affiliate links, which lead to Amazon or other things. And they kind of help support the website, help support the actual channel as well. And it doesn't cost you anything extra. It's just a little way for me to earn money without having ads as well. The third one you'll see is sponsored. Now that term can mean a lot of different things, but in this case it will mean that the company has contacted me and sent me the product for the review, but I have not accepted any money or any further sort of interaction from the company in terms of the review, so they don't get to see it beforehand, they don't get to edit it. It will still be an independent review, but just that tag means that the company has sent it to me or has been in contact with me regarding the review, but in no way changed it or anything like that. So I'm thinking I will probably use those same tags on future videos as well. So you might see that tag kind of pop up on videos, and I will link to the actual website where I've put more information about what those tags mean, and that might update and I might change the wording on that a bit. But those three tags have a thing you can click and read which each one means as well. And that's pretty much it in terms of the website. I hope you do like everything that it looks. I mean, I feel like it looks pretty good. I spent quite a while tweaking it. But yeah, I think everything is good there. So in addition to the new logo, you will see that I've also used my face for the actual avatar logo of the brand accounts. I hope it's not too confusing, but I thought it would be I thought it would make a bit more sense if, my face was the picture, because obviously you're going to be talking to me, not a kind of a faceless company. Now, I also have been using Final Cut for my editing for the past couple of years. I probably will still be using that, but I am trialing using DaVinci Resolve, which is another video editing software, which is actually free for the standard version. So you might see a couple of changes in terms of the editing. Partly it was me learning DaVinci or teaching myself DaVinci that kind of pushed me to kind of do this refresh, because I was starting to make my logo animations and title animations again in DaVinci, but as I was making them, I was making them the same way as before, and I thought, why don't I sort of refresh them to something more interesting and more new and modern? And so that's partly why I've decided to do this whole refresh. But in terms of upcoming reviews and videos, I do plan to still be doing the same kind of interesting content, but I do want to focus kind of more on helpful content, you know, sort of things that will help you with your packing tips. I will still be doing reviews, of course. I have some reviews coming up with Woolen Prints. They are the Merino Wool Company, which really great stuff there. And I also have some really interesting, and can't wait to show you these. So I'll just show you quickly. I have the Dayfarer 2 backpack review coming up, and this one is exciting as well. This is the Bellroy's Venture Pack 26, and it's very light for what it is. It's looking to be a very interesting backpack indeed. And I also have a couple of slings from Bellroy as well. So this is just one of 2 other slings that I have from them. And I also have a sling from Modern Dayfarer and a couple more items from Alpaca Gear. So do stay subscribed to keep up to date with those. And yeah, I hope everything is interesting and you will stick with me. And do let me know in the comments what you think of, you know, the logo, the site, the direction, whether you would like to see more, you know, tips videos or more packing videos, or, you know, just that kind of thing. Do let me know, and thank you again for your support, and I will see you in the next one.